Hello, and I'm in my car today on a very rainy day, and I'm here to bring you an unboxing and review of this Sakura 120 watt car vacuum 12 volt wet and dry clean. It's about $12.55 on Amazon. It's an inflator as well. There's the list of features. So we'll open up the box. So first out the box is this all-purpose fishtail type nozzle machine. So here's the main machine and the instruction manual. So here it is out the box. A bit dusty, some reason it's got something on there. So I'm not sure what that is, but yeah. Here's the cable. Put this box onto the back side. And this bag. There's the Sakura logo there, just a sticker. I don't know what that is, but see if we can get it off using the instructions. It turns out there's a bit of grease, and as you can see it's still on there a bit. Take these clips off, the other accessories should be inside. There's the filter on the top. Here's the hose. Not a very flexible hose, but would do the job. Here's the brush for the fishtail nozzle. Crevice tool. And the inflator adapter tool. And here's the main bucket. So I'll get it all assembled and then we'll do a demonstration on this pretty dirty floor. Right, so we've got it set up now. Clips on and everything. I'm going to use this wide upholstery nozzle thing first without the brush. The brush is very soft, probably good for dusting and stuff. Would give you some extra agitation, but I'm just going to use it without for now. Which gives us a bit of, more room to demonstrate. tested dry. Now let's see if you spill a bit of water in your cup holder, would you be able to suck it up? The answer is absolutely yes, as long as you tip your holes up like that once you've gotten it in the pipe so that it actually goes down in the machine. It does pick it up, but then again it's not really ideal for wet anyway. Plus if you take this hose out and put it in there and put this nozzle on, it becomes inflated, but because the hose is wet I'm not going to put it in there because that could drip into the motor. But yeah, so that's everything we've managed to pick up. And I'm going to dump it out, show you this filter, I'm going to dump it out and then we'll do a little final overview on this product. Okay, so final thoughts on this Sakura vacuum cleaner, and I'm sure this is the same for one similar. So it is very capable of cleaning the car and dry mess and picking stuff up. It does pick up wet, but just make sure that you tilt the hose back after you've done it to make sure it all goes down inside the canister, though it does have enough suction to pull it up into the pipe. So all round I think it's a good vacuum cleaner. For £12 I don't think you can go wrong. It's quite good, does what it's supposed to do, it's cheap enough. So yeah, that's my review on this Sakura 12-volt car vacuum cleaner. I would recommend it as someone who wants to keep the car clean. Obviously this will not be as powerful as a mains vacuum cleaner, which I don't know why, but I feel as though people think that when they buy it that's going to be amazing suction, and that it's 12 volt, it cannot provide same mains power suction, or everything would be on 12 volts, wouldn't it? So yeah, that's my review of the Sakura 12-volt vacuum cleaner. I recommend this product. Thanks for watching this video.